Hi YouTubers, this is me, Drew Pass, and today, me and tonight, I will be showing you my homemade soda vending machine. As you can see, this is made out of a cardboard box with an Xbox 360, well, it's an Xbox 360 box I'm using. And as you can see, I've actually got all the graphics on here. I've got a change slot, and this part is where the can drops out here. I cut this slot out here with one of my Thunderbolt tools. One of my tools. I just drill it in what I'm just going to use. I drill and I put some screws here to make like a money box acceptor machine. As you can see, it says money here. Drink and enjoy it. I've got here the board, and this actually needs gluing. Let's pretend it's got enjoy written on it. I've written the letters and numbers on here. So if I want D5, I'll just press for D5. And there's vending machine instructions. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Step 4 is drink and enjoy. So look at all those. Yeah, it's a cool vending. This is a cool vending machine. It's actually got a soda sign. What? Soda are £1. And in here it's very dark. See? Very, very dark in there. So then yeah, but I need to do a bit of drilling in on this, like screwing it all in, so taping it all up. I'm glad when it's finished because this is a 50% complete. So I'll see you later. Comment and subscribe.